गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आई होप यू विल फाइंड इट योर होम एंड दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट लेक्चर ऑन नाइन्थ जियो। This is our first lecture and the chapter named is India, locations and sites. This is the first basic chapter of the of the geography. So I tell you what, that this is a very important chapter. I request to every student that please study in a very nice manner, because geography is a very important subject and you get all the basics. You get all the basics in this geography session. So first chapter is India, location and the size, and India, location and the size is a very important aspect of our nature and of our country. So first we start with that how you locate your India on the globe. So first I create a globe. This is a globe. So just watch it till end, because very important aspect and you learn a lot from these things. So keep studying. First, for the locations and the size, we just draw a globe, and on the globe there is an important thing which divided this globe into two equal parts. That is equator. बच्चा पार्टी, जब हम ग्लोब की बात करते हैं, when we go to the phases of the globe, then we just read about the first segment, that is equator. तो बच्चा पार्टी, ये इक्वेटर जो है वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. This equator divides the land into two parts. One is northernmost and this is southern part. There is a two part, northernmost part and one is southern part. Very important. And this line is not sufficient, so we draw many lines on this globe in horizontal phase. In horizontal phase, we draw a lot of lines, and these lines go up to the poles. This is our pole. ये हमारे पोल हैं, ये बात आप याद रखें. This is our pole. And how many lines are there? These lines are 90. And in the southern part, these lines also are a number which is equal to 90. So, and these lines are known as latitude. These lines are known as latitude. Very important. First, again I tell you that you create a globe and there is an important line which divided into two equal parts. This line is known as equator, and the lowermost part is known as southern part, and the uppermost part is the northernmost or the northern part. North, south, and this phase is known as west and this phase is known as east. Then these lines then equator divides the globe into two equal parts. And the latitude, this is the important, because latitude gives us the position. अब मैं आपको थोड़ा सा हिंदी में समझा देता हूं कि क्या चीज है भैया। इस ग्लोब पर लैटिट्यूड खींची जाती हैं। दीज लैटिट्यूड हमें क्या बताती हैं? ये लैटिट्यूड हमें बताती हैं कि बंदे की पोजीशन क्या है। आप समुद्र में चले जाओ, आपको नहीं पता चलेगा आप किस तरीके से डायरेक्शन को ढूंढेंगे। तो ये जो लैटिट्यूड की डायरेक्शन है, ये हमें ये बताती है कि हम कहां पर हैं, at present where we are, in which country we are. So this is very important lines, latitude, क्योंकि when you read your NCERT line to line, then you got a word latitude. So this latitude is very important. Latitudes are the horizontal lines which gives the position of the person. Now another line, that is longitudinal lines. Longitudinal lines, these longitudinal lines, these are the longitudinal lines, these are the longitudinal lines. This is very important. Another very important line, it gives us the difference between days. It is based on the time. Very important. Longitudinal lines are based on the time. That this tells the time, because we know that Earth moves around the sun and it rotates on its axis. It rotates on its axis. So when it rotates, then you just think that this is sun, this is the sun, and when Earth rotates, then Earth is rotated into the anti-clockwise direction. Then when Earth is rotated, then there is a first phase. Now the Earth is moving around the sun, and the time will change. We know that when there is morning in the India, night in the America. Why? Because Earth is rotate on its axis. Earth rotate. That's why night in the America and morning in the India. So to easy these things and know about the time and find the time, we draw a longitudinal line. So from this you get two things. One is equator, which divides the globe into two equal parts. Latitude, which tells us the position of a person. Longitudinal lines, which longitudinal lines are the important lines which gives us the time difference, which tells about the time, which tells about the day differences between the countries. Very important. How many longitudinal lines are there? Latitudes are 181. Latitudes are 181 because latitude line is 90 in the northern part, 90 in the southern part. 90, 90, 180, and 1 is the equator. So total line latitude is 181, and the longitudinal lines 180, 180 in the western part, and 180 in the eastern part. So this is the very basic concept, that how you go through the chapters, because there is a direct line for the latitude, there is a direct line for the longitude in your NCERT, but first you know about all these things. This is very important and this is very basics. I start in English, but as we go up to the further classes, I speak in Hindi also. So please just remember that this is a globe, and globe what? Globe is represent our country, then represent the world. Then there is a equator which divide our earth, or which divide globe into two equal parts. One is northernmost part and the another one is southernmost part. So keep study on these things, that what is globe. Tomorrow I also go through the globe and I see you, I gives you the description on the globe. Very easily you get everything. So first, for the English students, you just know that this is the equator which lie. Now I tells about the degrees. First I summarize it. This is equator and the horizontal lines are known as latitude. Finish. And latitudes gives the direction, gives the position of the person, and the longitudinal lines are the lines which are perpendiculars on this globe, and this gives us the difference between the time, and this tells about the time difference. So very important things, ki what is latitude, what is longitudinal lines. I write it, I just rub it these things, I just rub it and write about these things, and you just learn it, not write in your copy, just finish and write in your memory. So first is equator. Equator divides the globe into two equal parts. It divides the globe into two equal parts. ग्लोब को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है इक्वेटर. It is at 0 degree. Finish. It is at 0 degree. Second, latitude. These are the horizontal lines. These are the horizontal lines. It is in its total number of lines. Total number of lines is 181. This is very important. For the entire life, this is important that latitudes are the horizontal lines. Third thing, very important, these lines are parallel. Very important, these lines are parallel. So keep studying. Latitude, these are the horizontal lines. Total number of lines, how much? 181, because 90 latitude in the northern part, 90 latitude in the southern part, and one is equator. So third one is, you got the equator, you got the latitude. Now the third one is longitudinal lines. Third one is longitudinal lines. These are perpendicular lines. These are perpendicular lines. These are perpendicular lines. These lines are perpendicular to equator. Now the third things, number of these lines are 360. One thing in the description में एक बात और बता दूं कि ये लाइनें परपेंडिकुलर में लिख रहा हूं, लेकिन these lines are not exactly perpendicular, because again you can analyze your globe. This is equator. These lines are parallel. These are what? These are latitude. These are latitude, and these are longitude. These are not perpendicular. But for the easiness, you just think that these are the perpendicular lines, because longitudes are the perpendiculars in the mathematical language. So just because there is a curve, and just you analyze like this. This is a curve, and you just think that this is a perpendicular. This is perpendicular. We divide the earth in the various segments by these lines because our longitudinal lines, what? Longitudinal lines give the or describe the time difference, or you find out the time difference by the longitudinal lines. So very important. Now again I draw it. This is the globe, this is the equator, these are the lines. What is latitude now? You just calculate its degree from the center of the earth and you find that this position create an angle of 1 degree. This position create an angle of 2 degree with the center with respect to equator. This line is at the 3 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, and total degree is 90 degree. So this, just remember it, when you see your globe, then you analyze it, that first line is at 1 degree, second line is at 2nd degree, 2 degree, third line is at 3 degree, fourth line is at 4 degree, fifth line is at 5th degree. Similarly, in the lowermost part, finish, and 90 degree in the northern part and 90 degree in the southern part. Now, the longitudinal lines are not based on these things because I again draw the longitudinal lines. This is the main line or central line. This is the central line which passes through the London. Central line passes through the London. Greenwich named it as, but this is not important for you. Just this is the basic, and then other lines. And in every line there is a difference of 5 minutes. Now next line again 5 minutes. So this is how we calculate the time. So there is a difference, or central line passes through the London. This is important thing for you. And now we start through our chapter. That what is our chapter? India, locations and size. I just write 3 things. First, India is vast country. India is a vast country. Second, India is a vast country. India is a vast country. Second, it located between 8 degree 4 minute. 8 degree 4 minute. This is the angle. 8 degree 4 minute north, and it is located between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minutes. It is located between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minutes in the it's located between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute in the range, in the latitude range, or latitude range of India. That you write it, latitude range of India is 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute. Just you analyze it, that I again draw it. This is the equator, and India is lie here. India is lie here,